Okay, hello, link 5. So we're going to use this ESL Library online website for part of our learning in our online class. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go to esllibrary.com/students. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to esllibrary.com, esllibrary.com/students. And it will open. Oops, so I need to log out. Okay, and you'll get to this. So what you're going to do is you're going to see something that says sign up. And then you're going to click on students, sign up here. Okay. Here, you're going to put the numbers that are here. 282998. Okay, so I'm going to put 282998. And here, I'm going to type the word. Good. Then click next. Here, I'd like you to put your first name. Okay, please put your name. Use your own name, otherwise I won't know who you are. So here, Anne, and I'm going to, well, let's make something more interesting. Bonnie Henry. Okay, do you know who that is? Next, and then here it will give you, it will suggest a username. Okay, so here. This is the suggestion they've given me. I'm going to write that down. It's important that I write that down so that I don't forget. Okay, so I've written down on a piece of paper, Bonnie Henry. Next, I'm going to make a password. All right, so you need to choose a password here that you're going to remember. All right, you can use any password you like. But you need to remember the password. So I'm going to say that my password is, I don't know, COVID-19, oops, can't see that. COVID-19 doctor. Okay. Next. Do you want to add an email address? You don't have to, but if you do, that's a good idea, because if you forget your password, you can ask ESL Library to send it to you. Okay, so you can put your password, put your email address in here, which is a really good idea. I won't do that, but you should put your email address in here. Okay, so I'm going to click no. Then I need to choose an avatar. I don't know. Here's one. I like that. Next. All right, and you will then get to here, and you will see a lesson that I have assigned to you. Okay, you're going to click on the lesson, and you can start doing the activities. All right, please know that I will be able to see what you do. Okay, some of these lessons don't take very long, but the idea is that you're going to spend some time here learning the vocabulary, practicing spelling, practicing structure, okay, and lessons that we do on ESL Library we will come back to them. All right, good luck.